Welcome back to Learning with the Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Believe in Yourself. Always believe in yourself and keep going. You don't have to have the most talent in the world. You don't have to be the smartest person in the world. If you persist and you persist and you persist, you will be successful. Have pride, believe in yourself, never quit, and success will be yours. Dear friends, the price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. With these motivational lines, a very hearty morning to one and all present here. I am Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8, going to host today's morning assembly on the theme Believe in Yourself. Believing in yourself means having confidence, and we should believe in ourselves in order to become the best person that we can be. Dear all, let our life reflect the faith we have in God. Fear nothing and pray about everything. And let's we start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. Now join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, it's time to promise to do our best for our nation, to understand our responsibilities towards our nation, and to take commitment to do service of our nation. And I'm going to call on stage Rohil from class 8 for pledge. Thank you very much, Rohil. Learning how to believe in yourself starts with thinking positively. Focusing on positive thoughts and emotions may teach us how to believe in ourselves. And remember, our ability to believe in ourselves can change our life. Let's boost our confidence with positive thought. And it's Shreya here from class 8 going to present Thought of the Day. Good morning everyone, my name is Shreya. Thought of the day is: never let the negativity get to you. There are gonna be a lot of people you have to plow through. But as long you believe in yourself, that's all that matters. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Shreya. It's important to stay aware of the happenings around the world. News is important as it informs our view of the world and we take action in response. Why to wait? Let's get quick update of the country and the world around us. For today's news headlines, I'm inviting on stage Reed from class 8. Thank you very much, Reed, for today's news update. Good vocabulary helps us to think and learn about the world, and expanding our knowledge of words provides unlimited access to new information. It's time to enhance our knowledge with word of the day. And for this, I would like to invite on stage Rima from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rima. Word of the day is approbate, which means approve, sanction. Synonyms of approbate are confirm, ratify, and antonyms are disapprove, deny. And I'm using this word in a sentence. You will still need to wait for the office to approbate your request for unemployment insurance. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Rima, for enhancing our vocabulary. Believe in yourself means being able to trust yourself to do what you say you will do. Why is believing in ourselves important? When we believe in ourselves, let's understand it, and I would like to invite on stage Param from class 8 to deliver a speech on Believe in Yourself. Thank you very much, Param. Poetry, the most ancient arts and also the product of human imagination. We express different feelings like frustration, sadness, angriness, or fearness through poetry. Poetry helps us let these feelings out. It's time to enjoy poems, and I would like to invite on stage Naman and Arit from class 5th to recite poems. Thank you to both of you. Now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Our national anthem is the pride of our nation. It generates a feeling of patriotism and respect towards the nation. And it's time for national anthem. Everybody get ready for it. And after national anthem, at the end, I would say that without self-belief, nothing can be accomplished. With it, nothing is impossible. The first step towards any particular goal is definitely an unending belief in self. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.